Rise and shine, people. Well, it's afternoon, so the shine is shining, not for too long. Let's head out for the day. This may be the worst way to end a cafe day. Clearly, nothing good comes in yellow packaging, but apparently we've just been fined for a reason that we didn't even know was a thing. But ugh, 50% off though, so silver lining. Husband's not feeling great about this. Do you wanna say anything? Yeah. It's a bit dull. We're in Morrison's now to cheer up the mood. Let's go. It's been a super long day so far, super great, but we're just making a pit stop to our flat to just freshen up before we go out for dinner with the fam, which I'm so excited because it's Persian food and I love Persian food. So here we go. Also, we had like the craziest, oh, my scarf is all wonky and it's triggering me now. One sec. One thing I realized from my previous video is that I've been filming way too close to my face. Like, nobody wants to see my pores. I think that's definitely a better angle for me for sure, especially when I'm editing. I don't want to see my face that close. I mean, I love it, but yeah, it's just too close. It's like invasion of people's personal space almost. Sunday morning and we're on our way to some breakfast. I honestly feel so sick right now. I don't know if it's something I ate yesterday, but yeah, I'm probably gonna get like granola for breakfast, which is such a shame because this place is known for like really good breakfast, like French toast and like eggs, and yeah, my tummy won't be able to stomach that, so it's just gonna be granola for me. Just thought I'd do a quick little outfit of the day because the mirror allows it. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really channeling my spring self. Oh, I can't wait for spring. Well, it is spring, but I can't wait for it to actually spring because spring ain't springing. And if you live in the UK, you know, if you know, you know. But yeah, had a yummy breakfast. May or may not have the granola, but it was really good, so whatever. I did tell my family, do not judge me for getting granola, and they were like, oh, well, you can make this at home, and I was like, well, can't we make anything at home if we put our minds to it, right? So, floor is really sticky, but ciao. Don't be fooled. It is still freezing out here. The struggle is real. At least it's sunny. Take what I can get. Let's go. Just got back from my work block and I'm dressed like an Eskimo and it's super hot outside today, so I guess you could never dress appropriately, or at least I couldn't. Can I just also say I have the bestest morning ever, not just because I started it off with Pilates obviously, but I went to Blank Street right after for some coffee and obviously to get work done because I was like, I'm just gonna work from the cafe, duh, because it's bank holiday. Let's do something fun, but still work. But yeah, I digress. I was saying that what made my day was the barista who served me coffee. I love it when you ask for, like they ask you like, would you like a small or a large? And you go for the small, and then they give you not the regular, the large version. And I'm like, and they charge you for the small one. And I'm like, thank you. Like, love anything on the house, any upgrade. I also was their first customer, I think, of the day. So that might have been it, but yeah, whoever you were, Mr. Barista, shout out to you. Not that you're watching the vlog, but one day. Ciao.